Whoa, that was loud. Alright. As you could tell in the title, we're trying to do Unity. And I think I try to make a game in Unity. So that's why it says the first game. This is what I had so far. I mean, it was good, but it wasn't that good because I still need to have some practice with it. The only thing that's hard. Oh, there's a lot of things that are hard, but first I need to find a course that I could do to make like C# scripting, and I haven't found any courses that I could find. I tried to go into geometrics or whatever, finding all the things that I could do, but all of them are just different. And then I'm trying to find a course that could take me on for 6 months or to a year, and I don't care for paying for it because I want to learn some C# stuff, and then 3D modeling courses too, to make sure that it all connects. But it looks like everybody's just been using freaking C# and blueprints now. So this is what I have so far. So let me go back to my game mode. Actually, I could just keep it right here. Let me just. God dang it. Let me just. Okay, let me go back to here because I need to get it back because. Damn, bruh. God dang it. Where's the game mode? I'm gonna need the game mode, bro. Okay, there it is. So this is what I have so far. I mean, you could jump and whatever, but I think the bobbing is way, way too much. So I need to go fix that actually. Or actually, I think I could just see what I could do in here. So let me just quit out of here, and then let me see if I could do the bobbing one in here, because I don't want to put the bobbing one like way too. All right, so they turned off the head bob, so it doesn't go like this, you know. I don't know. I don't. Might have to restart fresh again on this one. All right, let me just. Oh yeah, I had a first person modeler thing. So let me just get out of this really quick, and this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna ask uh AI or ChatGPT to to see if I could, like actually like use it for whatever reasons I'm trying to do. There it is. Okay, so I'm gonna put it right here. I don't need it to be very big. So, okay, so let's see. Let's say how to make a first person first person um like like most first person games, um in Unity. Can you walk me through every steps to make sure that it's all correct? Okay, I'm gonna see if that happens. Oh, I forgot. I think the ChatGPT 5 GBT ChatGPT is is always thinking longer, so it's gonna have longer times to expect it from. So I mean, I could, but actually, I don't really need this anymore because I don't even have an animator anymore because I freaking deleted it. Dang, this thing's taking forever. Okay, scene 1. So add a floor. Did that. Create a player route. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do. So it says game object, 3D object, and capsule. Okay. Rename it player. And then we're gonna position it at 0, 1, 0, 1. What the freak? Jesus. Scared the crap out of me. Oh shoot. Gotta turn this off before. Okay. Okay, rename the player or use your whitebot. Oh yeah, I had a whitebot before from Mixamo. Okay. Remove any rigid body. Remove any rigid body if present. We'll use a character controller. Add a character controller component to the player. So we go to character controller. Okay. So the radius is going to be 0.3. The height is going to be 1.8. And then the slope limit is going to be 45. And then the slope offset is going to be 5. And then this whatever is going to be the same. And then right click player. And then we're going to add a camera. Position it on 0 to 1.6 and 0. So actually this needs to go 0.98 or 0.9. Okay. So we got that. Set camera dot near plane. Set camera near 0.01. What? Oh, but I gotta make it like eye level. Okay, so 0.5. Let's do 0.70. So oh, 60. 50. Yeah, 55 looks about right to be in the middle of the eye. Okay, look cursor, we'll do that in the script. Create an anime controller and assets create. So we're gonna do animation, characters, whatever. I'm gonna go to animation and then animation. Wait, is it animator controller? Offset must be positive. What do you mean? Offset must be positive? It is positive. What are you freaking talking about? I'm just saving it. So like it looks like position height. Okay, so animated controller. This is not it. I think I did something wrong. So it's actually not this one. So we're actually gonna try to make it a animation. I'm gonna go. Oh my dude. Create animated. Odin Maiden. Iron Maiden. Okay, wait. What am I doing, bro? Okay, what am I doing? Where's the create thing? Oh man, I'm so blind. All right, animation controller. Yeah. What am I doing? An animated controller assets wireless up next. Input assumptions. Okay, what? I spelled continue wrong, but that's okay. Oh, now it's gonna be thinking longer and it's gonna take longer. God dang it. No, no, no. Fuck. Okay, let me see. I think this AI assistant, I might just be using it, honestly, because and it's faster than this freaking ChatGPT. No, 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 not again, not again, not again. That was almost a minute. Right click input actions. My god, dude, this is so. See, you have to be careful what it says, or else it doesn't make any sense. So we're gonna input actions, and then we're gonna try to go to player controls. Okay, and then we're gonna open this bad boy up. Oh my god, it's itchy right there. Create an action map and name it player. Okay, inside the player, map these action. Move. Action type is going to be a value, and it's going to be a vector 2, and it's going to be a keybind. This is a logical used to hold binding, select move. So we're going to delete that. And then the up and down vector. Okay, so we're going to do up, W, down, down keyboard, left A keyboard, right D keyboard, and right. Okay, there you go. So, what? This does not make any sense. Okay, that doesn't matter. So, we're going to do another action and put look. We're going to put button type, value, vector 2, and this is probably going to be one binding. So it's going to be probably a mouse, delta mouse. Very good. Okay, and then another action, and we're going to put jump. And then we're going to put value, vector 2, Oh no, it's gonna be a button actually. It's gonna be a button, and then we're gonna put pathway of the spacebar. Okay. After that, we're gonna put run. We're gonna put this one as a button type. Okay, so that's very good. And then we're gonna put shift. Oh wait, shift to keyboard, and then that should be good. Select move, add banding, composite. I already did that. Add another binding to the same composite 2-vector digitalized normalized. So we're gonna put up, and then we're gonna put listen, and then like that up arrow, down arrow. We're gonna put listen. It's the down arrow, left arrow, right arrow. Okay, and then that should be good. Okay, and then that should be good. And then we're gonna save asset, and then get out of there. Okay, add jump, blah blah blah. A on Xbox, run. Okay, generate the C# wrapper recommended. Select the dot input actions asset in the project window. In the inspector, take generate C# class. Give it name like player controls. Huh? Select the input actions asset in the project window. In the inspector, generate C# class. Click apply. Optional, add player input component workflow choice. Script. For example, using the generated C# class. Copy this file as a first person system.cs. Okay, we're gonna go over here and we're gonna create can't even create a C# in here. So I'm gonna create that in there. I'm gonna open this bad boy up, copy this. Use this, the player controls, and subscribes to dot performed. Okay, inspector checklist has character controller, has first person script assigned. Okay, so let me see if that works now. Okay, so we got that done. So now we have to wait until it all compiles for sure. I think this is going to be it for just to figure out if it moves great. Then if it moves great, then that's fine. We're going to attach it to here, and then we're going to go to player controls and attach it to here too. Did I attach it to player controls? Okay, I don't think I did. All right, player camera is going to be that one. Walk speed is going to be that one. So we're going to play unfocused. Okay. So we're going to see on where I could go. So let me just go from right here. So the mouse doesn't work. So that means the player control for the mouse does not. Virtual mouse. Wait, so what did it want me to have for look? Did I do something wrong in here? For look, add path delta mouse reads movement as a vector 2. Oh, Delta mouse. And it's got to be that one. Oh, okay. Let me save as it then. Oh, okay. So let me see if it works now. Because I couldn't move it. There we go. Hey, there we go. Figured it out now. Now we have our own uh stuff. Hey, that's pretty good. Yeah. All right, now I could take this out or maybe add like a freaking. Nah, we're gonna do that later. But at least we have the movement down now, so we could actually figure out what to do. I don't know, fuck it. Let's start making something cool on it. So I don't need this now. So let me go to here. Oh, how do I put full screen again? There, bruh. I'm literally pressing a button. It's not letting me. Okay, whatever. Okay, so. Okay. Wait, what? Oh, okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. What do I do here? Huh? What do I do here? Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to make this where it's a lot smaller. So this one, the scale is gonna be 0.25, 0.25, or 1, and then 0.25. Right? Okay. Okay, let's put 0.50 and 0.50. I guess I could be a cube. And then the capsule collider. Let me just remove the capsule collider because I'm gonna have to make sure I could scale it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it at 2. Damn, this freaking thing's tall. Oh, 2. And then what the frick would I make that sound? So that's probably gonna be the freaking arms. Let me just put that right out there. I'm gonna put it together, so it wouldn't really matter if it was a part of it. I'm just making sure I could try to animate it, you know? Okay, so I guess it has to be 2. So we're gonna put the top one to be like that. So 0.25 and 0.25. So 0.20. So that is going to be the legs. So the legs is going to be like this, or 1.2, 1.1. So we're gonna put this thing right here. Okay. Then what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna duplicate this. Actually, let me remove the character controller. Actually, hold on. Let me remove component. And let me remove component on this one. Okay, so none of it has it now. So it's just a block. So let me just put body. So we're gonna duplicate this. And then we're gonna put it to 0.25. Or 0.30, 40. Freak, I keep on. Okay. Then, next, we're gonna duplicate this again. And go over here and rotate it like so. Now it looks like that. Then what I'm gonna do next is I'm going to go like this. Oh my god, not again. So we're gonna put this up like that. Okay, good, good, good. Good, good, good. 1, 2, wait, shit. Shit. Zero 0.9, 0.8. Why is it so freaking hard to make this? Okay, you know what? Let's just add all that. Okay, you know. And then I could just add a mesh of something like Mixamo or something. Go to Mixamo or something, and then add in a thing in here. But yeah, let me just. Go over to here and then let me just sign in really quick. Okay, so that's what I had before. So let me go to characters and let me see what's the best one. It's just some of these are just kind of weird. I could do all the animations all bit later. It's gonna be stuck in a T pose. That's the thing I don't want to be stuck in. So I don't think I'm ready for a Mixamo yet. I just need to make one that's pretty dang good character. So it doesn't really matter. Or I could make this smaller to like 0.50, 0.50, stuff like that. And then I bring that so it does follow it. See where the camera is now. So the camera's right there. So I need to position the camera to at least be at 0.60. So it's pointing more up higher. Okay, so now let's check if it works again. If nothing is working, then shit. Okay, so it all works. Bounce, 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 bounce. All right, this looks good. At least we got the character moving. And then I don't think you would really need to have a freaking stuff like that, anything else. So I think that's pretty good. A pretty good first person game. And it's gonna be single player, so might just create an obby or something like that. Um I wonder how they do the animations. Oh no. Do not itch. Do not itch. Okay, so that's good for that one. So let me just quit out of this one. And then let me go to getting started. Because essential pathways are just completely different. So let me go check out the other one. And if it does good, it will do good, you know. Test. There you go. It says test. I was just testing it out, man. Man, it's gonna take forever. I don't know why. It's just me, bro. Oh. There we go. Okay, I just want to look at the animations and how they did it. $32. What? Oh, Timmy. Wait, where's the animator thing? None? Hmm. Oh, I'm gonna search this up. Star animator? What? I don't want it to be like that, you know? Okay. Okay, so what, this guy doesn't have any no animation into it? It's just all like based on whatever it is. Okay, animations. Oh, there it is. Fixed duration. So he has speed, jump, grounded, free fall. So what are the conditions? So for jumping from idle, walk, run, blend. The blend tree. Oh, here's the walking. Oh. Ew, so that's a blend tree. And he added all the walk, run, blend in there, and then all the way there. So he has jump, true, which is jump, that one. And then from jump to true and air, he has fixed time, exit time. So what if I can't copy it, so It wouldn't even work at all. But this is what the game's supposed to look like. So you're supposed to collect all the stars. Wang. This looks like freaking good. Like you jump, boom, boom. And then you can have like your own parkour or whatever. This would be pretty good for a parkour course. And then I could get the other two later. But the player robot, Timmy. Whoa. Wait, what is this? It's humanoid. So what is it? What is it? What does it have? Does it have it doesn't have loop time. So that's the thing. So it says root transformation. So in air, it has all of those, right? Oh, wait. Run, oh, has loop time. Run does not have loop time. Walk, loop time. Walk, land, no loop time. Stand. Wait, what is that one? Is that just like an idle or something? Oh, duh, it says idle. It's like that. Dude, that is so cool. Okay. Let me save this thing and then get out of this one. And then you go to mine. It's just like wham, 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 weep, wham, wham, wham. Um. Ooh, September 2. Actually, if we go back to, I might try to. I'm gonna go to Steam. Actually, let me go to Steam, and then let me go to Soar. I think I was already scrolling through this already. I heard that one was pretty bad. Shadows of Doubt. A Little Left. American Civil War. Hogwarts Legacy. Kingdom Come Deliverance. Oh wait, wasn't there another one called Crime Simulator? Yeah, Crime Simulator. And it came out, and then everybody likes it a lot. Yeah, this is by the same people that made Thief Simulator. Thief Simulator was good. It was fucking good. Oh my god, you need a 3060, a 27, a 2060. Man, I don't think. I know this is not accurate, but I like to test it out. So you go to 2060, eh? 2060. Oh my god, no freaking way. It's still better than mine. This is what I have. It'll be about the same. Look. It's better by, dude, by 2%. No, no. And then a 3060, of course that's going to be a lot better. Whoa, that's only not a huge difference at all. Well, I mean there is, but you get more huge amount of more FPS or whatever. I can't believe this is 425. But you get a 6800. Yeah, it's still alright, but not the best. But a 3060. So if you get a 3060, so this is what my plan for the next build. I'm gonna plan to get a 9070 XT. And it's 131. Okay, that's exactly what I was trying to look for. So over here, so the only difference I've seen it in real games is that the 7900 XTX gives only like 2 or 4 or 6 better frame rates than a 9070 XT. And it also depends on what kind of game. Some games can handle whatever specs this guy has. This is completely like raw, so it's really good at 4K, handling 4K. Same with the 9070 XT. They're really good at handling 4K. And this one's actually a really good contender against the 7900 XTX, because if you compare it with 5080, they will be like kind of similar. Because I compared it before, it'll be kind of similar, not similar. The fuck? Okay. The 4080 is still freaking a beast. Okay, I completed my first step, guys, of making the camera setup today. Tomorrow, I'm gonna be focusing on. Actually, I'm gonna do a little bit more stuff onto this. I'm gonna add a bobbing onto the camera. I'm just gonna be adding more stuff little by little onto the script, so it can have more of a bobbing effect onto it. So, oh dang it! Dang it! I'm gonna have to go over here. Open the chat, and then go to first person movement. Close sidebar. Get out of my baby. Okay, and then I go to. Okay. Now I want. Now I want to add a bobbing. You got your FPS working. Now let's add a simple, subtle head bob. Small. Decide altitude, offset to okay, frequency. Updated script with bobbing from before, now with head bobbing. Oh, it's still not done. So let me go at scripts and then open this bad boy up and then go back to here. And oh my god, it's still going. And this has a 127. Oh. Oh. Fuck. Okay. Remember the default camera local position while moving advances its bob timer. Applies offset small up and down. Frequency increases if running. When idle, resets camera swiftly leaps back to neutral. Bob Smith controls how quickly it eases back. Suggested values. Suggested values. That's almost 200, bro. Something I just bit on my lip. I mean, on my tongue. No, I don't know what the frick that was. Ah. Wait. Let me go back here. Go here. Okay. Go over there. The bobbing altitude. So we're going to put the bob altitude to 0.02 and the frequency to 5 and the head bob to 8 and the bob smooth to 6. And let's see if it works. So we're going to have to go very, very close. Okay, so I didn't really see a difference. So bob altitude, very subtle. So that means I'm gonna have to put at 0.5. Bob walks frequency to 6, 10, and let's put 8. And then see if it snaps a lot quicker. I think hopefully it will. Let me go to here. Yeah. So that's pretty good. Oh, so this is the same one. No, not again, bro. Okay. Watch this, watch this. Wait. What are you doing? Dude, right now I'm trying to add a bobbing camera movement onto the freaking capsule player. And so far, you want to see how far it is right now? I'm just waiting for ChatGPT to wait to put its script. So this is what it looks like right now. That bottom screen right here on the bottom. I add a bobbing to it, so the shift key works, and the jumping one, the mouse freaking movement works too. But yeah, it looks like that. But let me do this again. So let me copy code again, and then go over here, and then exit out of here, and okay. So it says bob altitude vertical. So it's already gonna have it. So side sway is a lot slower. At head tracking usually means the head camera smoothly looks around based on the input. At an empty game object at head height, call it head. Put the camera as a child of the head. Okay, so we're gonna put game object, and then we're gonna put, what are we gonna put? Probably a freaking cube. Okay, and then wait a minute. At my notebook. All right, Q is to move. Scale is the R. Like that. So let's put the scale one over here. And then let's put at it height of a head. I mean, it's gonna be good, but we're gonna rename it as head. Okay. And then position it at head. At head level. So let me put, so it's 0, 0. So 0, 0.6, 0. Okay. Okay, call it head. Put a camera as child of head. Your movement script rotates the capsule on y-axis. Body turns this way. X exemplified look code. This is basically what we already set up in your FPS script. Method 2, head tracking with animator for a visible character. For using a 3D modeling. Method 1. Okay, this is your create a capsule inside capsule. NT move head up to eye level 1.6 if the capsule 2 units tall. Okay, create your look script and put it on the capsule. Okay, let's see if it works. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna delete it. I mean, it's all gonna be good because I could just press Control C, Control Z, Control Z, Control G. Won't even really matter. But let me just go see if it actually works. Okay, and it says, and put it on the capsule, the player root. Okay, put it right there. So the head is gonna be head. Okay, click on your capsule in the inspector, drag the head object into the head. In the same script, add this line inside start so the mouse doesn't leave the screen. Void start. Why can't you just add that for me? That's okay. Huh. Also, it just means that oh, okay, it doesn't really mean anything. Okay, let me see if it works now. Oh. That is so cool. Okay, and then let me make it sure that. Oh shoot, I'm going wrong. I can make it go like that. But well, that's really sensitive. I don't know why it's so sensitive. Okay, so I need to figure out what to do for it to make it not too sensitive. Oh my god. Sensitivity. Change the pitch handling. Yeah, that's even better. Um, no, that is wrong. You know, you know what? It doesn't really matter. I'm gonna put the sensitivity at 100 and see if that really does anything at all. Okay, why is it so freaking whatever, you know? Max pitch. Okay, let's put it at 0.15, just like the other one. And let's go see if it actually does anything. Okay, so why does it... So the sensitivity has to go higher. So let's put 0. Or let's just put at 1 and then see if that changes anything at all. Got it. You only want the head tracking? Oh my god, dude. Guess I just had to copy it and just... It's... I literally said not... I literally said the script. How can it be just like this? Man. So no sensitivity. There you go. So that's what I'm gonna have. Ugh, why is it inverted? Invert Y. Why? What did I do wrong? Smoothest. And now it says, now we're talking. And it keeps on freaking changing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ugh. Alright, so that's good. At least we have that now. Oh my god, I gotta go now. Okay, now we can see it. Okay, that's done. Okay, now let's see. Smooth time is 0.05. I'm at the bottom. Is it just because I'm the head's just like freaking weird or something? Or is it just the camera? So let's put the head where it's like completely inside. Or actually, I'm gonna make this where it goes bigger. So it has a wider depth range. And then I want to put the head tracking to 0.6 to 0.6. And then it's going to be like that, and bam. So that's good. That's good. That's good. Then I'm gonna check if it does. This is so weird. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna make it where it's a little bit smaller and a little bit like that. I know this looks like a little Among Us little type of thing. I need to make sure that it doesn't go all the way out. So I'm gonna put the head. So this is where the head is. So I'm gonna put that right there. And put it right there. Now that's okay. So after that's done, whoa, bro, whoa, buddy, pivot. Why does he go through? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna make the capsule where it's a little teeny bit Okay, so hold on, let me delete this really quick. Oh my god, dude. Oh, duh. It needs to be a spear. Okay. And then it could have just like one big freaking eye or something. Okay, and then let me see. I need to position it again. Oh my god. Okay, camera. I need to position it wherever the fudge it is. So it all connects together. Why does it rotate like that, dude? Okay, hold up. I'm gonna go back to here. Okay, so when you the lowest angle, the head could look down. This is what I thought I was gonna be. Not just the camera snapping up and down with the mouse. Don't instantly set head rotation to the mouse input. Separate view. Oh my god, are you kidding me? I'm gonna have to go to here and freaking. Uh. Okay, last one. And alright. Yeah, I think I for sure got a bit. Alright, now it freaking works now. So let me go see what I could do now. So now that I set that up, now I go over here. And then it should give me any It's the same. Okay, you know what? Let me just see. Let me just move it out a little bit. And then let me just see. If you want, I can no. Okay, so what if I... Oh, wait a minute. What I... Why do I make this like this? You know, that's like the face of it, like the eye. And I'm gonna add another game object to it, and then put a spear. Okay, so then it's just gonna be another friggin' eye color, you know? So I'm gonna rotate it to where it's okay, there we go. Oh my god, what the fudge? There we go. Then I'm gonna put this right here. And then I'm gonna put this right here. Wait a minute. Okay, there you go. I'm gonna say only around. Wait, can I? me see. Treat the eye as a spear. Its rotation should look at a target from or the mouse direction. Create an empty at the center of the eyeball called eye pivot. Eye pivot. Reset local position and rotation so it's aligned correctly. Decide your rotation limits. Script to make that eye look at a target. How far left or right eye can rotate. So I guess it's still, I'm assuming it's still mouse look. Left, up, right, down. Right now is player. Okay, I want to ask that. Head movement moves up and down. Eye pivot, child of head. So it's done. Okay, let me see if it freaking works now. Is this point that the eye is looking? Okay. Doesn't matter where you place it. Okay, so I have to go to empty space, game object. Oh wait, empty. Great, empty, and put eye target. Okay, and I go to player, and then I go to over here, and then eye target. So let's see if it works. Is the script even working? Okay, let me see if it freaking works. Well, let me just copy this code. And then, okay, this is the last one for sure. Ah! Okay, now, I'm gonna see it now. Drag the iPivot into the iPivot field. Drag camera into camera transform. Adjust limits. How far I can turn left. So that's what I did. So let me see if it works now. But if it doesn't, then I'm gonna stop it right here. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. What the fuck? Oh. I pivot. Wait, what? Oh my god, freaking. This is the game object. I pivot the head. I pivot. Okay, I pivot the I pivot game object. Camera transform. What the fuck? Okay, I pivot. Assigned to I pivot. Okay, let me see if it works now. Oh my god, please freaking work, dude. It doesn't freaking rotate, dude. What am I doing wrong? Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna see something really quick. If I go for it there, it doesn't even freaking do anything. Then I go to camera. Doesn't even do anything either. Okay, hold on, let me see it. Yeah, so it should freaking work, but it's not freaking working. My God, dude. Okay, this is it. Okay, I'm not gonna add the eye tracker or anything like that. That's all fine. Because I don't need to add all of that right now. But I think that's gonna be it for this stream. Let's try to do it, but that's it.